Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a deep dive into one of the most iconic SUVs in the world, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. The legacy continues with a modern touch, upgraded features, and a powerful performance that lives up to its rugged name. The 2025 model is not just about off-roading anymore, it brings in a new era of luxury, tech, and capability blended into a legendary design. Starting with its exterior, the new Toyota Land Cruiser has undergone a major transformation while still keeping the classic boldness intact. The front grille is more refined, featuring a prominent black mesh pattern framed with chrome accents. The LED headlights are slimmer, sharper, and integrate seamlessly into the front fascia, giving it a futuristic yet aggressive stance. The body lines are clean and muscular, and the square wheel arches complement the 20-inch alloy wheels that now come standard in many trims. The rear end sports a modern look with LED tail lamps, a power liftgate, and a cleaner bumper design. It maintains the iconic boxy profile, yet the enhancements make it look more elegant and aerodynamic. Ground clearance has been optimized, making it ideal for both highway driving and extreme terrain. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 Land Cruiser is where the biggest surprises lie. Toyota has stepped up the game with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. You'll find soft-touch leather upholstery across all seats, genuine wood and metal trims on the dashboard, and ambient lighting that adds a luxury vibe. The driver gets a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster and a massive 14-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is fast, intuitive, and supports voice controls. There's a head-up display and wireless charging pad, while USB-C ports are spread across all rows for added convenience. The new Land Cruiser offers both 5- and 7-seat configurations, with heated and ventilated front and rear seats, ample legroom, and a panoramic sunroof that opens up the cabin space beautifully. For audio lovers, a 14-speaker JBL sound system delivers immersive sound quality. Under the hood, the 2025 Land Cruiser has ditched the old V8 in favor of a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor. This new setup produces an impressive 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and enhances fuel efficiency. The hybrid powertrain offers better mileage, reducing fuel consumption without compromising power. Off-road, the Land Cruiser still dominates. It comes with Toyota's advanced multi-terrain select, crawl control, downhill assist, and locking differentials. Whether you're on sand, snow, rocks, or mud, this SUV handles it all with confidence. The ride quality is smoother than ever thanks to the adaptive suspension system, and the steering feels precise both in the city and on rugged trails. As for safety, Toyota hasn't cut any corners. The 2025 Land Cruiser includes the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite with adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system with off-road camera views. The SUV also features front and rear parking sensors and a driver attention monitor to help keep you safe on long trips. Now talking about the price, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser starts at around $55,000 for the base model and goes up to approximately $75,000 for the fully loaded first edition. With all the features, capabilities, and hybrid efficiency, it's a great value in the luxury SUV category. It's designed not only to conquer the wild but also to offer sophistication for daily driving. That's the complete overview of the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser.